Eliminate stress from your brain and body. Biologically, stress is a complex adaptive response designed to protect us from perceived threats. This response is crucial for short-term survival. However, chronic stress can significantly harm physical, mental, emotional, and even financial health. This fight-or-flight response triggers physiological and biochemical changes to prepare for threats. I recommend frequent listening to this strengthening along with the neutrality challenge on this channel. Let's strengthen the central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We'll boost the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis activation in all possible combinations. We remove stress from the brain. Specifically, we eliminate accumulated stress from the hypothalamus. We remove feelings and beliefs of being in danger. We eliminate exaggeration and distortion of life events. We clear unresolved traumas that trigger stress. We stop fixating on dangers and threats in daily life. We strengthen the sympathetic nervous system's regulation. We remove danger and threat energy from body systems. We clear danger memories from the pituitary gland. This gland is crucial as it greatly affects overall health. We remove risk and threat energy from body structures. We optimize adrenal gland cortisol and adrenaline release. This gland is vital for producing hormones that regulate many bodily functions. It ensures a strong stress response by properly releasing cortisol and adrenaline during stressful times. It maintains a robust electrolyte balance through proper aldosterone production. The adrenal glands provide strong metabolic function. We optimize adrenaline levels to boost heart rate and blood pressure. It strongly regulates adrenaline to increase oxygen flow to the airways. We reduce glucose to ideal levels, preventing cell breakdown and fatigue. It strongly regulates adrenaline to increase oxygen flow to the airways. We lower stress-induced glucose levels in the bloodstream. We boost cortisol to maintain energy and increase blood glucose, promoting efficient metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbs. We clear up the confusion between glucose and stress. We eliminate overreaction in the adrenal cortex, which releases excess cortisol in non-threatening situations. We optimize cortisol to suppress non-essential functions only in true emergencies. We remove the buildup of chronic stress that suppresses immune, endocrine, digestive, and growth systems. We erase memories of wars, famines, invasions, torture, and all forms of abuse. Natural disasters and other stressful events affecting you ancestors, and descendants in this life and beyond. Will boost the sympathetic nervous system for quick, efficient responses in dangerous or threatening situations. We enhance breathing rate for better blood oxygenation, strengthen blood sugar regulation, and improve metabolic response to mobilize fatty acids and amino acids as energy sources. We reinforce the negative feedback system to reduce cortisol production, help reestablish balance, and strengthen the parasympathetic system to lower heart rate, blood pressure, and restore digestive and other non-essential functions during stress. We eliminate cumulative stress effects, anxiety, depression, poor focus, insomnia, and appetite changes. We clear energy stored in the central nervous system and brain. We reduce susceptibility to infections, colds, and other illnesses. We boost the body's ability to fight off diseases. We relieve digestive stress, stomach pain, indigestion, heartburn, IBS, diarrhea, constipation. We optimize gastric acid production and intestinal motility. We alleviate stress-induced gastrointestinal discomfort. We ease muscle tension, headaches, neck and back pain, and stress-triggered muscle spasms. We release trapped energy in muscles by tensing and relaxing them, removing blockages. We clear stress-activated memories causing acne, psoriasis, eczema, and other skin issues. We strengthen the skin barrier and inflammatory response to heal and eliminate stress-induced skin issues. We reduce stress effects on libido, menstruation, erectile function, and boost reproductive health and sexual vitality. We remove the energy of risk, threat, and danger from every quantum particle, atom, molecule, and cell. We also clear this from physical spaces, surroundings, and time. I separate you from the collective of stressed, tired, and sick individuals, empowered to choose your interpretations, emotions, and sensations, strong enough to manage and transcend your emotions appropriately, resilient to avoid neutrality for as long as possible. We strengthen you to be positive, not positive, negative, not negative, neutral, strong to be same, not same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. We fortify internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices 100% with infinite potential, always. We erase all weaknesses and obstacles that prevent, limit, delay, or block stress release. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now, the same or different?